Hi, this is MLB fan. I'm making an unboxing for two packages that came in the mail today. Here we go. Alright, so we got a Mitchell and Ness, Chicago Bulls, snapback. We got the Eastern Conference NBA, Chicago Bulls, Mitchell and Ness red, Mitchell and Ness in red, black snaps, gray under, Mitchell and Ness in tag, NBA Chicago Bulls. The bull is in red and white horns with red tips. Red bill, black crown. Let's try it on. Good fit. Let's open the next package. Here we go with the next package. Just tear it. Like a plastic bag or something. All right. So we got another Mitchell and Ness. Uh, Pittsburgh Steelers snapback. Yellow bill, black crown, black eyelids, not black eyelids, yellow eyelids, yellow button. Get the Steelers logo, the name in black, the stars, yellow, red, and blue. Get the NFL shield. You got Mitchell and Ness in yellow, yellow snaps, gray under, and you got Mitchell and Ness tag, and you get the vintage NFL. Let's try it on. Fits nicely. And that has been a quick unboxing for Pittsburgh Steelers, Mitchell and Ness, and an Eastern NBA Eastern Conference Mitchell and Ness Bulls hat also. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.